Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you are all fine. Today in XENEA Wallet new mission added, and if you complete this mission you will get 2000 free gems, and I will explain you in detail how you complete this mission and get 2000 gems. So first of all, click on mission button. Now click on next campaign button. Little scroll down. Here you see event option, and if you complete it you will get 2000 gems. Click on event button. Here you see the detail, description, play next game dear ST, and get the event code display in the game. So if you want to get code you will play dear ST game. Now I will explain you how to play it. Here you see try now and the link of the game. Click on the link of the game. After opening you will see mini D app, and here you see play now. Click on play now button. Now you will get connect wallet option. Click on it. So now here you see many options to connect your wallet, so it's your choice. I connect with Google, so click on it. So after connecting with your Google account, need to set a recovery password. I will set my password and then explain you. After setting password, click I agree the terms. Now click the next button. Now the next option, verify recovery password. Then I will put here again password. After providing recovery password, click on next button. Then click on yes I check and then confirm. Now set simple passcode 6 digit. Then again verify simple passcode. After verifying, here you see wallet creation completed. Go to connect your wallet. Here show your wallet detail. Click on connect. Now click proceed. Then click on approve button. Enter passcode for approval. After providing passcode, connected completed, and your game will be started. Now play little bit game and wait for some time. After some time you will get your code for 2000 gems in this game according to the XENEA option. Click cross and go back. So here you see play game and get the event code displayed in the game. So wait some time. After some time your code will be displayed in the game. So hopefully you understand it well and you like the video. Stay active for more updates. So like and share my video, and if you still not subscribe my channel, then subscribe it. Goodbye friends.